Welcome back, friend, to another episode of the Grow Your Daycare podcast. I am hoping that you're having the best month so far, and that it's not too cold where you're listening to me from. I am in Quebec, Canada, and let's be honest, January and February are pretty brutal. I am actually staring outside of my window and everything is iced over and snowy, and it's just cold, and I'm not someone that enjoys the cold. But I shouldn't be complaining because we had an amazing holiday period. It was pretty mild and I loved that. So today I wanted to focus on something that I know you're probably asking yourself. This is a question I get asked a lot by childcare providers, especially. Question is, do I need a website for my home daycare? And the answer is yes. The answer is yes, and I'm going to share why. So the first thing that I want to mention to you is having a website does a few things for your business, especially your visibility, okay, and your online reach, okay? So a website is what you're going to use to get found online organically. Organically meaning free. So anytime a local mom and dad is online and they're scrolling on, on a search engine, so Google, obviously, right? They're on Google and they're in need of childcare, or they're doing their research to see what types of childcare programs are out there. If you have a well-developed, optimized website, Google is going to find you and bring you up in the search. Okay, so that's what you want. So it helps you with search engine visibility. The other thing that it does is if you set up your website properly and you have keywords that moms and dads are looking for, let's say you have a blog or you have pages where you're filling in the parents on different activities that you're doing, right? That's going to help you, again, get found organically, which is what you want to be focusing on if you're not ready to invest in paid traffic, okay? And the other thing that it's going to do is it's going to allow moms and dads to not only get to know more about your program. So, when you set up your website, you're probably going to have a testimonial section. You're probably going to have how to contact you, a little bit about your program, your curriculum, a little bit about you, when you started this business, right? Maybe you'll have some pictures or a little slideshow of the kids or activities. So there's a lot of different things you can add on your website to make it more appealing, to make it more attractive, but more importantly, to increase that trust factor so that with all this content that you're putting on your website, a mom and dad is going to start feeling, hey, look at all these amazing things that they're doing with this daycare. Look at the pictures. Look what it looks like in the inside. Look what other parents are sharing. All right. So that's a great way for you, again, to grow your online reach with a simple website. And lastly, it is going to help you with social media because you will add all your links, your plugins all over your website. So usually when you go on a website, it's either at the top of the page or at the bottom. You'll see the little icon for all your social media platforms, right? So Facebook, Instagram, if you have a YouTube channel, whatever social media you're using, most probably is Facebook and Instagram. So you can actually encourage moms and dads to follow you over on social media, and then you can again wow them with your content, with your marketing, with the posts that you're posting, with everything that you're sharing, so that you can get them to warm up to you to eventually book a visit with you. So do you need a website, friend? Yes, you do. I hope that this answers your question. Let me know if you have questions about marketing your daycare. The links are in the show notes, so you can actually go ahead and email me and I will do my best to answer in a later podcast episode. If you are looking for marketing help, maybe you don't know what to post every single day. Maybe you wish it was easier. Maybe you wish there was a plan to follow, or even if you need just some templates to post because you're not, you don't have time to be on Canva. We actually have a $7 social media content hub membership specifically designed for home daycare providers, and that's where I basically tell you what to post. So the post as well as the graphic of the day, and we do this every single day. You can cancel anytime. It's only $7 a month, and for $7 a month, you have a complete social media content strategy to help you grow your online reach. Links are in the show note. I hope that this blesses you and your business. And as always, I will see you real soon. Bye for now.